Hi, I'm Nick Hampu. I'm the owner of Proax Woodworking Corporation. I'm in the Tampa area of Florida. I've been here for about 17 years. Have my shop actually in my garage. I have everything I need. I'm able to take any kind of piece of wood and make it into something. You see the work that's out there on furniture, on even toys. They're just, not made to last. They're made with, cheap wood, if it's manufactured wood, where I'm able to take maple, cedar, whatever type of wood you would want. My goal was to make something that customers would see actual quality, to give them a fair price for some very quality woodworking. If you were to come to me with any type of a project, I'm going to put my heart and soul into it to provide you with something that not only you have, but your kids have. I put my brand, Nick Hampu, I brand that on every piece of woodworking that I do. And I want generations to be able to see my name. Be proud that you have that furniture, because I'm proud to be able to present it to you, and that you're happy and as proud as I am of what you've given me the opportunity to make for you.